We are ready anytime.
The state government is working on a separate directorate of Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy to ensure that the facilities which have been created under Ayush do not go to waste. Health Minister Amprian Lingdo said they will also put a separate Ayush Human Resource HR policy to ensure that there are no hiccups in the appointment of faculties and staff to be attached to the Directorate of Ayush. The Health Department has written to the Revenue and Urban Affairs Departments for land to construct the infrastructures for new Directorate. The Union Ministry of Ayush has agreed to sanction 13 Ayush Health and Wellness Centres for Meghalaya.
Result in action. But ngayon iba kanu katur ka bangalet kadayban result in action masyayo kumno biyang HR sanction scheme don again means a don problem a lot of request ki officers mene hadin katu kajing yai bunti jonga ka bajan dap shisnem hakan ke department bangidiban bet ba kanu ka bangile kadayban conclude logically